Hola clase. Here are the structures for Friday, the 25th of October, el 25 de octubre. Bueno, primero tenemos la estructura detrás del cacto. Okay, so detrás del cacto. Okay, so detrás de is the way I say behind, and el cacto is the cactus. So, detrás del cacto. The next one is she or he leaves a place, or she or he goes out, and the word is sale. Okay? So take note of that and how we pronounce it in Spanish. It's not sail, it's sale. Okay? The past tense of sale is salió. And that is my preterite tense because it's my completed action. Okay, so I would pinpoint a time he left the building. Okay, so Joe salió la escuela. Joe left the school. Okay. The next one is he or she leaves an object. Okay, so there's a little difference. We have leaving a place up here with sale and salió, and now we have a new word for leaving an object. Okay, so he or she leaves an object is deja. Okay, and in the past tense then, I'm going to put that accent on the O, and it's going to be dejó. Okay, that would be again, my preterite tense, completed action. Let's say Joe, again, left his iPad in the van. Okay, so I would say Joe dejó su iPad en la camioneta. Okay, Joe left the iPad in the car or in the van. Okay, so those are the structures really quick that you need to get down into your structures notebook. I'll say them one more time. Detrás del cacto, sale, salió, deja, and dejó. Okay?